Hello everyone, welcome to Maple Service Solution channel. I'm Rafi and today we're diving into Go High Level CRM. Whether you're new to this tool or just looking for a refresher, we've got you covered. We'll be walking through the basic setup, operational functions, workflow automation, email campaigns, cold calling, lead management strategies, landing page creations, and third-party tool integrations. So let's get started. So let's click on settings, bottom left corner. You'll see the business profile here, and you're gonna have to put down your informations. All the informations about your company is goes there. So when you set this up and you click save, update all the informations, then your profile is going to be created. You can create some of the stuff accounts if you want. If you want to give access to your stuff, and the whole basic setup is just done here on settings. And you can also include your calendars, email services, phone numbers, WhatsApp, custom fields. There are going to be fields for forms and their domains. If you have any kind of domains, it goes there, and all things that you need to have, for your business, it can be integrated here, and also the basic information about your companies. And then after that, here is our main dashboard. That's the launchpad. Now let's explore the main features. This dashboard gives you a snapshot of your activities. You will see all the pipelines. Here on automations, you'll see the automated workflows that you have. Here the automated workflows that we have already created. Then there are the opportunities, the lead that comes in. It will go there. So let's explore the workflow automations a bit more. So that's something that we have to cover a lot, and this workflow automations is highly effective. This is here you can create an workflow automation from scratch. So let's just show how it's done. So this is the workflow automation builder. You'll give it a name. Let's say it's a test workflow. So you add. First, you're gonna have to create the workflow from scratch. So you're gonna have to create, how the lead comes in. This is how you're going to differentiate it. So let's say once a lead is added, based on source, so opportunity is created. Contact created or opportunities created, or if a contact is being added with a tag, then an opportunity will be created. So how the lead comes in, it's going to depend on that, how you want to just create that field. So you're going to have to create that field from from a very specific point of view, and from very specific reason. So we have quite a few workflows here. So this is a workflow for entry level people. So we differentiated this based on tags. So let's just show you how it's done. So once this workflow automation is or once it's just added, then we always here, those are the tags that we have created. It's based on contact tag, then it's a trigger, and the opportunity is created, and pipeline if the pipeline stage changed. So if any of these event happens, then there's an email that goes out to that contact. So this is how it depends, and that's what depends on your automations. That what do you want to that lead to happen when an event happens. So once an event happens, this lead is going to go to this workflow, and once that happens, it's going to go for this email. So this is how you differentiate and how you very specifically tells a lead tell it to do what it want to be done. We have a test workflow that we already have on our hand. So let's just work on that. Is on draft mode. You have to choose your trigger. So let's say new lead added. There are lots of different fields. How you want to create the trigger is just depend on your need. So let's say the new lead has been added. So let's add that. And when the new lead added and you have selected tag as the first campaign, you have the contact lead that's been added is been added with the tag. So that's how I differentiate this contact opportunities, because when I add a tag for very specific reasons, this is how the contact is going to be categorized. So let's just say I'm going to create this field with the first campaign, and I have added this tag. The tag has been added. So when you create this contract, just simply add this tag. This is just very easiest way to categorize your leads. So this tag is being added, you want to send them an email. So let's send an email. Add an email there. So you can add a wait time there, and also from email, you're gonna have to send the email from a very specific account. Let's say I'm going to select that. Then you can just write your emails. Then hello, and the contact is added. So some you want some custom values there to the contact first name hello. Let's say hello Robert, or anyone whose first name is going to auto populate this. Hello Robert, this is Rafi from Maple Service Solutions. We are excited to have you on board. Let's schedule a quick call to see how we can collaborate. And then you can just add a link there. So let's say we can add a link there for, you know, for you can add a link there for trio links. Then let's just book a call link and go down there. So that's it. So yeah, we're going to save this in action. So okay, so you're going to need from email to roughly at Maple Service Solutions, mapleservicesolutions.com. So that's the email, and that's it. And also you're gonna have need a subject. So let's say quick call invitation. And for name, let's say is company name is there, Maple Service Solutions, Maple Service Solutions. That's it. So you can set this action. So add a tag there, and you can add a wait time. Let's say you want this email to go out after 1 day, after the contact has been created. After 1 day, you are going to send this email. So that's the wait time is being added there. So you can add more specific actions after that. So there are lots of different fields that you can just customize. So that's a very amazing options to have. So all these things, and after that you can add the settings. You can stop, allow or stop the reentry, stop on response, account time zone. You can specify the time zones that you have. So all these things can be done there. So that's the builder. That's where most of the work is done. Once it's done, just remember to save it. That's workflow automations in short, to be honest, because we can work a lot of things there. So if you need more information on that, we can make another video just for workflow automations. So let's dive into on email campaigns. So that's one way to do workflow automations, and also there are email campaigns. So that's the email campaigns. So that's pretty crucial for nurturing your leads. You can create very specific email campaigns based on your needs. You can add email there and choose from blank or default in the new template. and just it's just basic email campaign setup just there. To design your email on Kohalven, and it's a drag and drop editor. It's very easy. Let's just design editor start from scratch. You can create that if you want. So you're starting from scratch. You can add different blogs. Let's say you can also add an image. I won't recommend to add an image because most of the time people email with images don't get that much shared, and people don't open this, and sometimes it just a bit off-putting. So I would recommend to add some simple text emails. That works best, like short testing also be great, and also always try to customize this and personalize this, so you can add very specific specifications. So let's say you can add the you can just customize this and add the contact first name, so it can auto populate there. And these emails, once it's done, just save them, and these emails will be go out to the very specific audience that you want to send. So this is how we do the email marketing. And once it's done, then these leads, where it comes from, you can go there. So let's check the cold calling features. So we can just select a lead, and once you integrate your third-party tool integrations, then you can start cold calling from there. You can just click on it, and the call will be done. So let's not call her right now. So this is how the cold calling is done. You can just once the phone number is there, you can call them directly from here. So there are options to to set this up on your setting options. You can show this on another video. So that's how the cold calling is done. And let's go over how we manage those leads. So here you can see these are the filters. So you can categorize your leads based on different options. So this is how I like to do it, is tag. So we have tags for different categories. So if the coaches is I can very easily find the coaches leads here. If I add a coach lead, then I just tag them with coach. Then after that, there are other options like based on source and who was it created by. If based on the users that we have, if the lead was created by me, then this is how it's done. Okay, and there you can also based on city, which city is from lead is from, and state, source, and obviously tag. So that's how you can curate your leads. So also you can check the leads where it was in workflow. So let's say if I want to find a lead on that very specific workflow where it was situated, where it's right now. So you can find it there as well. So there is right now there is no lead in this kind of workflow. So this is how you're going to curate this lead and find these leads for every single lead from very specific situations. So that's it, and there are other options as there as well. So let's see our let's see our landing pages. So how the landing pages is created. So you can create sales funnels here. Once you create the funnels, this is how you is getting done. So we have created a funnel for the course that we're selling, our upsell course. So here, this is the course URL. Webcam is not active. Okay. It's not active right now. We have another funnels. So here, that's the funnel that's active right now. Let's see how it's done. Okay. Okay, we're gonna have to create the editor here. So we have created a form here. Once people just fill up these forms. Once this form is done, Just this example. Once it's done, questionnaire and form. We created this to avoid any kind of unwanted schedule calls. So we have curated those leads based curate the create the forms so we can curate all the unwanted leads that we don't want. So let's say if you are selling services, then if people are willing to buy the services, then you want to schedule a call with them, right? So if they don't want or just looking for options, then you don't want to waste your time on them. So this is how you can actually just curate and just very specifically just weed out the unwanted leads and just talk to the people that are really interested in you buying your services. If they answer the right questions, they go to one page. If they don't, they end up on another one. So they would end up there if they're not willing to buy the services right now. So they will get thank you page and some information, relevant information about the services that you're selling. So it's also a bit upsell, perhaps. You can add a bit upsell here and the cross selling. Let's say if you are buying selling the services and if they're not willing to buy it right now, they can actually just go to an additional page where you are selling valuable informations there as well. But they don't have to pay right now, but or they can actually pay a little amount and get some valuable informations or very valuable tips. So this is how we have curated those things. That's one way to do all these things right now. So that's pretty much it. It's just the final step that we have created for our sales funnels. And there are lots of different things that we can actually explore right now. So this whole thing actually depends and depends on the need that you have. So Go Level is one very specific tool that's really customizable. You can customize this based on your needs, like every single possible way. However you want this to work, it will. There are options there. So how do you find these options? How do you actually create all these things that's very specific to your needs? This what I want to show you. We have done this for over years and we can still do it. And we can show you new ways to curate leads, to organize your leads, and to reach out to your leads, to do lower automations based on all the specific criteria that it has given you. So if you have any kind of questions, anything at all, just make sure to put this in comments. We will reach out to you on a appropriate time. And we love to hear back from you. And this is our really just the beginning of all these videos that we're making. We will we will eventually explore many different other tools as well. What you would want us to explore is just very valuable information for us. So if there is anything at all that you want us to share, just let us know. We'll get back to you and we will see you again pretty soon. Thank you.